Good afternoon, everyone. Brought to you by Dolphin Markets. Welcome to today's live session. I am Aditya Kumar Shah and certified research analyst in equity derivative and on Indian stock market. I have been trading for last 7 years and managed the portfolio of worth around hundreds of crores and generated a massive wealth for my clients in my professional journey. So, in today's session, we will let you know what are the fundamental analysis and how we can do the deep down the fundamental analysis on a stock by taking one of our recommendation Archit Ply. Before that, we will look into the overall market condition for today, and our goal today is to provide you with in-depth fundamental analysis and help you make informed decisions, right? So before that, we will move to the market. What was the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty perform have today? uh, the market is closed as of now, and we can see today was also the expiry, the monthly expiry, and the expiry has closed, due to which we are seeing a fall in Nifty as of now. the one week the 1 week gain which it had shown in from Monday times, it has taken down, right? The nifty is fallen and it's coming to its position where it was last week, and it has fallen to 1.49% as of now in today's session. And Bank Nifty was also not that supportive. Bank Nifty had also fallen down towards the level of 51,900, as we were discussing yesterday, that the 52,000 levels was very important in the Bank Nifty, but it couldn't sustain at that point of time. And Nifty also had a strong support at 24,000, which hasn't supported as of now. It has closed below that, and on next session we will see if it sustains above 24,000 mark or not to give the good breakout, and we will be seeing a market in positive or not. Because at this level, the market is the market will be consolidating and it may fall down further. So we have to remain cautious at this point of time in both Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks. The VIX has also increased today. It has increased by 4% approximately. Today it has gone till 5% in the afternoon session, but it has little slowed down as of now. And but we are seeing a gain in Nifty Next 50, right? The next Nifty Next 50 has some positivity, maybe stocks due to Adani Industries performing well. The stocks are performing well and they are in Nifty 50. So the it has taken its benchmark to its positive. And if you see the world indices, uh, Dow Jones, it was positive, Nasdaq was positive, S&P 500 was positive, the England market FTSE positive, and the Spain, France, Germany market all are positive as of now. But due to, as we have discussed, due to the expiry, there was a there was a fall in Nifty and there was a profit booking done in Nifty. So we are expecting Nifty to remain at to fall further, but if it sustains and if it breaks out the level of 23,000, 24,000, we are expecting more upward trends towards it. As of now, we will look what on a monthly basis. Since today was expiry, we will look on a monthly basis what FII has bought till now. Till now, FII has been selling, as we have seen that from starting of the November, FII are continuously selling, and it has made a change of 0.12%, right? Where they have sold 29,000 crores in the month of November. So it's a bad sign as of now. But DIA were putting their trades. DIA have bought more than the FIA, so the Nifty has been stable due to that. So FIA and DIA buying we have seen. Now we will analyze our recommendation which we have provided to you. So as of today, we have generated two calls, Archit Ply and GGBL, at the entry price of 110, 115, and GGBL at the entry price of 415, 420. So in these two, we will analyze Archit Ply today. We will do the deep fundamental analysis of Archit Ply today and let you know what the stories it has kept in it and what are the possibilities it hold. And before that, I want to let you know that we have entry here, and on updated sheet we have made profit of 9% in NFL. As of today, we have closed our position as 120 mark and made a 9% profit. And in Dev Plastic, there was a profit of 13%. We have booked profit of 13% in the morning session, and in also in Aventel, there were three stocks where we have exited as of now: Aventel, Dev Plastic, and NFL. So we made total profit of 13 and 9, 21% today, and our total profitability in all these stocks have gone to the margin a mark of 193% profitability. As we are saying again and again, just follow our advisory. Whatever the calls we give it to you, it is very much possible that you will be able to generate more and more profit out of it. And the more and more profit out of it you will be able to make in the market, the more you will be able to uh, be a financial well-being man, right? And you will be able to trade more. You will be very confident in the market after that. As you can see, we have closed 31 trades as of now. In 2 months, we have made a remarkable profit of 183%, and we are expecting in the next session we will be closing one or two more stock and cross the 200% profitability margin. Just imagine, we are left with only 1 2 days in this month, and we are about to reach the 200 profitability in last 2 months from the day we are providing the call. So it's very important that you invest money in the right place with the right advisory. With the wrong advisory and with wrong investing in wrong place, it it will harm your portfolio. And in financial world, as you know, there is no you cannot lose your money, right? There is for any fault you make, you will lose your money in the financial market. Now we will look what we will do to the Archit Apply fundamental. We will be doing the Archit Apply fundamental analysis for today. We will look to its income analysis. We will do the income statement analysis. We will followed by balance sheet analysis, right? Cash flow analysis, industry dynamics, financial ratio, SWOT analysis. We will look into its what are its strengths, what are its weakness, what are its uh, threats, right? We will look into everything. We will also look what are its future outlooks, and I will also share my recommendation on Archit Ply. After analyzing Archit Ply fundamentals, we will also give my recommendation on that, what we should do as of now and what are the possible prospect it is making in the market, right? So we will start with the analysis of Archit Ply. So as of today, Archie Ply has been positive, of 4.94%, and we have seen a gain of 5% in Archie Ply as of now. Uh, in today's session, it has closed at the upper circuit level. It was trading at a strong volume, and the average volume was also very strong on daily basis. On weekly basis, if you see, there has been volatility in the stock, right? And on monthly basis, there has been some positivity. The stock has ranged from 102 to 128, but it has remained at constant price as of now. Okay. Now we look at the income statement. As we look into the income statement terms, uh, the from 2022 the income has been increasing constantly. We are seeing the increase in income from 307 to 438 in 2024. There has been increase of, in the growth view, there has been increase of 38% in last year and only 3% in 24 23 24, right? So there has been increase of minimal in income last year, but there was a significant increase in the year of financial year of 22 and 23. Now, we will also look the net income is also rising. As of now, it has been stable. It has been making a net income of 8 to 10 crores on an annual basis, right? It had a net income of 8 crores in 2022 and now at 7 crores in 2024. So the net income is balanced, but the revenue is increasing. The profitability is not increasing as of now, as we are seeing. It has been average till date. Right? Over the past 3 years, revenue has been modest but inconsistent growth, reflecting its limited scalability in competitive market. Right, the profitability is not increasing, revenue is increasing a bit, but not the profitability. From 2022, the revenue has increased, and in 2024 it was moderate from 2023, but the profitability is not showing a good sign as of now. Right. The gross profit margin trends also highlights these stresses due to rising straw material. Right. The gross profit margin also decreasing due to the rise of cost of raw materials, particularly in this segment where it is Archiplied belongs. It due to the timber cost, due to the laminates cost and chemical. The chemical, timber, and laminates price have been increasing consistently in the market, due to which the profitability, the net income hasn't increased till now. It has remained constant. We can see the revenue has increased from 307 crores to 438 crores, but net income was not up to the mark. Net income has not increased because the raw material cost is increasing, right? The laminates price, the plywood price is increasing, so the cost of production is increasing as of now. So the net income has remained constant even after the growth of revenue, right? And there has been till date, if you see, there has been loss of 3.6 crore. Like there has been loss of 3.6 crore compared to the net profit of 70 million, compared to the net profit of 7 crores, right? So it also creates a doubt in its operational efficiency. It is creating a net income, it is creating a profit of uh, 70 million, and it has been negative in terms of as of now. Also, for its efficiency, uh, we see that it needs to relook at its material cost, how they can minimize the material cost. They need to go to the regular buyers which are providing in bulk, so the material cost is reduced, and with the revenue, the profitability also comes in, the net income also grows, right? Now we look at the balance sheet as of now. In the balance sheet, as we have seen, in the balance sheet, the assets is also growing, at a significant pace. From 200 crores, the asset has grown to 250 crores and to 326 crore in 2024. And we will see the liabilities also been growing at a same pace. The liability has grown from 107 to 215. The liability is showing a growth of, we'll look at the growth rate. The assets is growing at the rate of 24% into 2022 and 2023, and it was 31.69% last year. But the liabilities are also growing significantly as compared to its assets. Liabilities are growing more fast as compared to its assets as of now, which is not a good sign in terms of growth rate. Assets should be growing more than the liabilities. Then we can consider that a stock is performing well, stock is focusing on its efficiency. The efficiency is also low here as compared to its revenue. It is not generating that much of income as of now, so the profit has been less and it has been average as of now, right? But there has been significant rise in the price of plywood, laminates. It requires a high cost of production as of now, so there has been no increase in profit, right? Now, coming to the cash flow, the cash flow has been negative as of now. The cash flow has been negative, because you can see net change in cash is negative. It has been remaining negative, but it is reducing it. uh, Cash flow negativity as of now, which is a good sign. It was to 4.53 in 2023, and it has been reduced to 1 point minus 1.56 in 2024. So the company is looking into its cash flow and improving its balance sheet in cash flow statement, right? So it is a positive sign as of now, and the free cash flow is have been going negative, which is not a good sign. The net change in cash has been a little bit reduced, but the free cash flow is getting negative. So we have to remain cautious on that. We have to see like how they can manage their cash flow, and the free cash flow is into the positive segment. Right? Now we will also look at the inventory. As we have looked into its income, we have analyzed it. Inventory plays an important role whenever in this segment, when we have to see if Archid Ply has good inventory or not, and it is backing up with good inventory on a regular basis. Because when the prices are high, and if they will buy that raw materials cost will be high, and the production will be automatically high. So Archid Ply have to modify their business, and focuses on the thing that they are getting the raw material at a low cost, and they will be able to do more better in terms of income. Now we will also look at the annual report of Arcade Ply, which has came from BSE India. We will be doing the deep analysis for today. In cash flow statement, we have seen that there is been declining profitability, which suggests that the strained operating cash flow is present, right? Possibly leading to internal financial expansion for a reason, I guess. So it came on 29th of August 2024, Arcade Ply, and we will be. So it was founded in Assam, Assam Timber Products, in the focus of tea chest and saw timbers in 1976, and it has been operating now. Now, new factory has been also been set up to the growing demand of a dynamics. Like in the recent year, in the this year itself, the new company has been set up, right? And they trades in plywood. As we have discussed, the plywood price is rising as of now, and the raw material laminates and MDF. These prices are rising, due to which the net income has been low, which we have discussed as of now. Now, key performance indicator, if you see the revenue from operations is increasing from last 3 years. We see increase of almost the revenue from operations has been double. From 2021 it was 23,000 and now it has increased to 43,560 mark, which shows a very greater efficiency in terms of revenue. But EBITDA, earning before interest and tax rate, depreciation and appreciation, it has been constant, right? From ranging from 1,300 to 2,400, it has been modest as of now. And net profit is also was growing till 2023, but it has taken a dip here. In 2023 there was a net profit of 1,225 crores, but it has taken a dip of 500 crores to the level of 710. Now, why it has taken a dip? As we have discussed, the plywood price, the laminate price have increased, due to which raw material cost has been increased and the prices are increasing and the profits are decreasing for the company. Now, coming to the net worth has been increasing constantly, right? From 8,000 crore to 11,000 crore, adding thousands crore in each year. And we net cash from operations, it has been fluctuating a bit as of now, right? And if you see, the EBITDA margin is also in a state constant. Net debt to equity ratio is also not above one, which shows that the company is performing well as of now. And return on capital employed percentage has been maintaining its uh, stability as of now. It has provided insights into Indian global market and MDF market, each and everything. Now, segment reporting, it has shown its key financial ratios as of now. There has been external sales of, in 2000, as of 2024 there is an external sales of 26,000 crore, as compared to last year, which was at 41,000 crore as of 31/03/24. And we can see here, and the results are very clear, that total the results are almost average. The segment result as on 24/23, the segment result are almost had remained constant, and the assets was also remained constant as of now. So we are not seeing much of a change in its assets or its revenue. Like, there is a little bit increase in the revenue and assets part, but there is not been increase in the net income, right? So it is very difficult to look how it can unfold as of now from its annual report. But we will go more deep into it. We will compare its peer. We will look why this is a stock is a good for investment or not. We will let you know. Now, coming to the industry dynamics, the demand growth, right? Increasing urbanization and demand for decorative laminate and plywood is driving its growth. There has been increasing demand for decorative laminates and plywoods, which is increasing its demand growth, right? It is lacking as of now, but there will be increase in uh, laminates. Also, Arkitply benefits from the government housing initiatives like PM Awas Yojana. There has been initiatives going on from government like PM Awas Yojana, which when you make a house, there will be obviously a demand for plywoods and laminates, right? There will be infusion of plywoods and laminates. There will be demand for it, so it gets benefited from some government schemes. Also, it has also risks. Suppose there is a slowdown in real estate, suppose there is a decrease in economy, the Indian economy is not performing well, so obviously people will prefer less spending, and there we will get the valuation low, and the profitability will also be low, and growth will also lag in that. Here there are also external risks. As we can see, timber and resin cost volatility will also impact it because there has been increase in price of timber, laminates, and etc. Also, now we'll look at the financials ratio of it. The EPS, we will look at the EPS for this year, and PE. The PE has been 31.48 as compared to its sector PE, which is 30. It is good as of now. It has been average of its industry, and we will look what are the growths possible, and we'll also look at its peer. In terms of valuation, the stock P is 31 as compared to its peer, which has a Century Plyboard, is a very good company in India in terms of plywood and laminates, and Green Panel, which has a very high valuation. These two companies have a P ratio of around 50, and Archit Ply is below that. These two are the major players in the industry in the plywood sector. Greenply Industries and Century Plywoods. We can see each and every product in India in most of the cases are either made from Century Plywoods or Green Plywoods industry, right? And we have also seen how most of the shops selling the Green Ply and Century Plywoods to each and everyone. Now, Arcade Ply is also a good player in it, and we have to look what it holds for us. The P ratio is been at average. It is down below its major players. We are expecting the P to grow. When the stock price grows, automatically the P will grow. And there is a very positive sentiment because the real estate sector is gaining momentum in India, due to which there will be a demand for materials and wood products. Right? Now, comparing its price level, we are here at the price level of Arcade Ply, Century Ply, and Green Panel. We will adjust it with Green Ply because these are the major stocks in plywood sector. So we have seen Archid Ply providing a return of 38%. Green Ply has given you a return of 65% as of now, and Century Ply has given you a return of 8.11%. So Century Ply, the major player, is not giving that much of return. Archid Ply and Ply has performed well. This performance has led a Green Ply to the significant PE as of now. It has the highest PE among its peers, as we can look 58, and it may fall down to some level. And Archit Ply is doing significantly well as of now. It has beaten Nifty 50 in terms of its growth, and it is very promising. And we are expecting a very positivity out of it. The growth is showing the signs of bullish sentiment in this stock, and we are expecting very positivity out of it. I look at the performance. The performance, as we have discussed, it was 38.34% as of now, and in on a 5 year basis, it has also provided a return of 32.32%. On an annual basis, there has been increase of 32.32%, which is a very good as of now. There is no forecast available. Valuation is seems to be overvalued due to maybe they are not generating income more as of now, but we are expecting the income to grow as the raw materials cost decreases. They will be able to produce at low cost. The the plywood they will be able to produce at low cost, and they will be able to generate more profit out of it. I think the profit is availability is an average. Return on equity is only 6.58%, and profit margins are 1.62%. As we have discussed, the profit margin is very less, due to which there has been decrease in net income, right? And the cash flow margin is 2.61, which is average as of now, and it is a good entry point we are seeing because it is not at a overbought condition, and it is underpriced and not in the overbought zone, right? Fundamentals are also really good. It is at It is at less than it is in intrinsic value, and technicals are also good. Stock is not in a overbought zone, so we are positive about that, and we have also made an entry in that, right? Red flags, there is no such red flags in it. Only a there is a probability of high default in next 12 months. As we are seeing, there's been a decrease in the net income, so the probability default probability has increased. But as the market grows, as the raw material becomes cheap, we will be able to see there will be no default. And for rest of the things, it is not in ASM, it is not in gray market list. Promoter placing is not there in the stock, so promoters are very confident about their stock. That's why they are not placing their stock, right? There has not been such placing. If promoter would have been in doubt, they would have placed their stock, they would have taken money from the market, and there is no such unsolicited message. So we don't have to worry about that. Overall red flags are average as of now. There is a probability of high default which can be considered as of now, right? And it is not a thing to worry because if it profitability grows due to lower raw material cost, it will be automatically not defaulting, right? And for the rest of the red flags, we already have a positive sign here. Now we will look into the promoters holding. As of now, promoter holding is plays a very important role in stock analysis. Before promoter holding, I want to let you know the SWOT analysis of this stock. Uh, what are its strengths, what are its weakness, what are its opportunities, and what are its threats, right? So coming to Archiply, it has it has a strength in it has a diversified product portfolio. Archipy has a diversified portfolio from plywood to laminates, and Archipy also addresses multiple end users. And it has a market recognition in India. Archipy is a major player in India in plywoods, laminates, each and everything, right? And what are its weakness? Every industry, every stock has its weakness, strength, right? So we will also talk about its weakness, where we have to remain cautious in that. There is a declining profitability, as we have seen. The revenue is growing as of now, but there has been decreasing profitability from the market due to the high raw material cost and all. And there is a limited geographical presence. Archiply is very famous for its products, but it has limited geographical presence. Its products are of quality, but it has not captured the market like its competitor has captured, and it still comes in the small cap market uh, with a 223 crore as of now. So look, we can see that Archiply is not a big company as of now. It comes under the small cap industry, and it has a quality product, right? What are the opportunities available in Archiply? There is an export expansion. Archiply is considering a plan to export in the foreign countries. Like it has a quality in it, so they are thinking to export into the foreign country. Once it gains access to the foreign countries market, it will be very positive for the Archiply to gain returns out of it and make profitability out of it, because they will be selling their products at a very good rate in foreign countries. Foreign countries has a very good demand for good laminates and plywoods in their country, and right. And there is also innovation and sustainability in it. Archiply, the product, as we have discussed, is very sustainable, and it is very innovative towards its product. It may be a small cap as of now, but its products quality are really good. Once people start believing in it, they will be able to perform more good in it. And what are the threats? As we have talked, economic slowdown could be a threat as of now, because if there is economic slowdown, there will be a negativity in the real estate. Due to which there will be not a demand for wood and laminates as of now, right? Once the real estate starts booming, the market for plywoods, each and everything related to its wood products will increase, right? But once the economy gets slow, the market gets slow, the real estate sector gets slow, and the demand for plywood and wood products get little bit slow. And one more thing we have to consider, the stock is at trading 4.28 axis volatility as of Nifty. The stock is making new high, new lows as of now. It is making a circuit due to which the stock has made a volatility of 4.28%. Right? So these were the SWOT analysis as of now. As we have discussed, SWOT analysis in strength we have diversify. It has diversified portfolio, market recognition. In weakness we have declining profitability, limited geographical presence. In opportunity it is thinking to expand, right? And innovation in sustainability. It has in sustainability. And in threats we can see economic slowdown is there and rising competition is there. So these are the SWOT analysis which we have done, which is very important in any analysis we do. uh, we will look at the promoter holding as of now. Total promoter holding is been constant from last 6 months. Promoter is showing its trust as of now. We had an risk of default in coming next 12 months, but we are not looking into that. There will be a growth in economy, there will be growth in real estate, so automatically the price of ply will be good as of now. And there has been also there is a positive sign that retail in the last 3 months retail holding is has decreased, so it's a positive sign. As we know, the more the retail holding decreases in a stock is a positive sign that other institutions like foreign institutions, domestic institutions are increasing their stake in the stock, or promoter is increasing their stake in the stock. That means when foreign institutions or domestic institutions invest their money, they invest with a huge amount of research, they invest with a huge amount of money into it. So it's a very positive sign for a company, and they are stable in their journey and they invest for a longer period of time. As we can see, the in on December of month there has been promoter holding of 69.89% and retail the other way holding 30.11%. Until now, the promoter has stayed constant, right? And retailers have been 30.11%. The foreign institutions are buying something, but not that much in the stock. The domestic institutional investor has been constant as of now. The retail in participation is going from 20% to 17%, and other parties like the investors, the individual investors are gaining into it, right? The domestic and institutional investors and foreign institutions are not focusing on this stock. Domestic institution had some stake in that, but it has made almost zero. It is almost negligent as of now. So overall, if we see, the promoter is very positive about, promoter is very constant and has remained constant and shown its positivity in the company, which is very good for the company. And there has been low promoter pledging. There has been no pledging of stock as of now, and there has been decrease in retail holding from the last 3 months. There has been decrease in retail holding, which is a positive sign, right? So overall, if we see what are the future outlook for this archiply industries, right? In the future outlook, we have to focus on the strategic focus area. We have to look the cost optimization for the architect. If it streamlines procurement and logistics to improve margins, if it can, it streamlines its procurement and logistics. If it can buy at a lower cost and make the products at a lower cost and sell it to its level, it will be more good for the more good for the stock, right? And there will be a need of product innovation. There will be a need of product innovation in it. After that, we will have a unique blend of laminates and plywoods available in the market, which will give advantage to the architect ply, and a good it will make a good it will make a good product innovation, like. And it has to invest in research and development for offering like fire resistance, if it plies can be fire resistance or not. If a ply can be fire resistant, that will be an added value in the stock, right? And the antibacterial laminates, as we have seen, the most of the laminates which comes in India are not antibacterial. The bacteria eats the laminates, right? In the longer term, when you keep for 2 3 years, bacteria starts eating it and the laminates get damaged. So it have to Archiply has to look that it can improve the products of laminate or not, and it has to come with antibacteria laminates. And they have to they have to put investing in research and development, so their innovation takes place. And second one was first one was optimizing cost. They have to optimize the cost so they can get raw material at low cost and sell at higher cost, right? And there should be a market diversification. They should not be limited to urban centers. They should also enter into the tier 2 and tier 3 industries. Archiply is available at only the urban centers in the major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, etc., but it has not entered into the tier 2 tier 3 sectors. We believe Archiply will enter into the tier 2 tier 3 sectors, and then it will be able to grow more once they get markets of tier 2 tier 3 cities. Tier 2 tier 3 cities are growing more as of now, and once they gain access towards it, it will be able to generate more revenue, it will be able to generate more profit out of it, right? And it also needs the diversification. And if you see the long term risks in our Archiply, uh, it's only the cost pressure is there, the profit margin is low. That's why the long term prospect is not good as of now. But if it improves its operational margin and cost optimization techniques and product diversification, right? So it will be able to generate more profit out of it. And it's a very challenging industry as of now, so Archiply have to look at it innovations. Even if the prices, if they are selling at a high price, they will be able to gain profit out of it. So we have analyzed each and everything. We will come to our analysis. We will come what we have covered as of now. We have done the fundamental analysis of Archiply. We have analyzed the income statement. Income statement shows that the revenue is growing as of now, but the net income is not growing as per the revenue. Revenue has grown from 300 crores to 400 crores, but the net income is not being growing. In the balance sheet analysis, we have seen that it is moderate as of now. The and the cash flow analysis is also negative. It has it from minus 5 point in 2022 there was a 5 point minus, it was it was in minus 5%, but it has lowered its cash flow ratio to 1.5%. So that is little bit positive. And we have also looked into its industry dynamics. We have compared it competitors, Greenply and etc. And we have looked what the plywood industry wood products hold as of now. We have analyzed the financial ratio like PE and EPS. PE has been average. It has been low below its major players, Greenply and Greenply and all. It has been lower from that. Financial PE is trading at a range of 31, and it has a pair, the major player, which holds a PE of 50 and 58 as of now. We have also done the SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, we have looked, there is a they have to diversify portfolio. In strength, they have to diversify portfolio, and they have to gain a market recognition. And on weakness, we have seen that there is a declining profitability as of now due to the lower margins, right? And there is a limited geographical presence. They have to increase it. They have to increase to the tier 2 and tier 3 level, so they can increase their profitability, right? And what are the opportunities we have seen? They have to export. They are looking at the export expansion. So these are the opportunities available in this stock, and they are they are investing in innovation, right, for the sustainability of the stock. Once the stocks plywood start getting innovation, they if they provide the if they provide the good products and the antibacterial products which we have discussed, it will be a great opportunity for us. And threats can be economic slowdown and rising competition. There is in rising competition from its peers, right? From Greenply and all, there has been rising competition from them. The plywood sector is very competitive as of now. We have seen these are the threats available. And the future outlook we have discussed. In the future outlook we have discussed, they have to focus on cost optimization, right? They have to focus on the product optimization, and they have to diversify the market. For cost optimization, they have to streamline the procurement and logistics to improve the margins, right? Once they get at a lower price, they will be able to deliver it, they will be able to deliver higher profit margins and generate good revenue and good net income for the companies. And there has to be product innovation, they have to invest in R&D, so they are able to provide fire resistance and antibacterial resistance product. And coming to the market diversification, they have to expand beyond urban tier 2 1 and tier 2 cities, right? It has only presence in tier 1 cities. They have to expand at tier 2 and tier 3 cities, so they are able to gain more market share in the market, because its competitors are always are already in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. And also I have provided my recommendation as of now. Right, Archit Ply industry is facing headwinds and decline from profitability as of now and operational efficiency. And but the modest revenue growth and diversified portfolio it has, it is decreasing in profitability, and there has been a situation of operational efficiency as of now. But there has been modest growth in terms of revenue, right? If its revenue is increasing, the profitability margin can be increased at any point of time once the raw material cost gets low in it, right? uh, and once the real estate market gets recovery, there will be a demand for wood products as well. And there has been potential, there has been potential in real estate market to grow as of now. So we are expecting very positivity, and the margins will be increasing in future. Also, they should also investors should also track the management strategies, right? So management strategy is very important, what they are doing for the operational efficiency, what they are doing for to minimize the cost, right? How, where they are planning to get the raw material in future, what are the innovation techniques they are investing in, so that we get insights of the business, and we will be able to look what can be the possible outcome. Overall overall I see the stocks to turn around as of now. It will remain constant at this position, but I am expecting the stock to turn around because it is very bullish as of now, and all the stories which we have discussed is a sign of positivity, because it is expanding, it is expecting its accepting its mistakes and growing further. The management is have realized that innovation is important, they have to expand at tier 2 and tier 3 cities, so they can gain at that level, right? So we have analyzed Arcade Ply industry. Also, I have given my forecast on that. So we have to be very positive on Arcade Ply. We are very positive on Arcade Ply, and we recommend you to go into it and buy this stock at this price, because it is showing a very bullish movement, and we are very positive about that. We don't have to worry about it, because it is a very small company as of now, and it is planning to expand to the further tier 2 tier 3 cities. Innovation is present, and management is also taking initiatives to improve it. So, it is the most important thing, management is taking the initiative to improve it, and the promoter stake has been remaining constant as of now, even after there is low profitability and low margins. The promoter stakes have been stayed constant, as we can see, right? So we have gone through all the analysis, and we have provided our recommendations. So stay invested in this stock, take position as soon as possible. Now we will look what were the positions we had made in Arcade Ply. Arcade Ply we had made an entry at 110, 115, and The 5% profit level is at 116, 121, and the first target price will be at 130 and 140. We are very positive about that. Archetply, we have gone through the analysis, and we have entered one more stock, GGBL, which where the analysis we have done in the morning session itself, and we have recommended to buy as of now. It has a very good prospect, and Archetply has a more promising prospect. We have done the deep down analysis of the Archetply in today. We have covered almost most of the aspects of the Archetply. We have looked into its future outlook. We have done the SWOT analysis. We have analyzed the financial ratios. We have done the industry dynamics. Right. We have done the balance sheet analysis. We have done the income statement analysis. From top to down, the 360-degree analysis has been done for you, and we recommend to invest your money in Archetply for good returns. And we have also generated call in Archetply, and we have also provided you with the fundamentals and also the levels at 100 trade to enter into the market and make profit for yourself. So this is the current holding we are having as of now: Archetply, GGBL, Hindustan Exploration, Poonawalla, and these are the few stocks which we are having. Now looking at the performances as of now, we had in our watch list we had Poonawalla, RBL Bank, NFL, right, and Aventel, Hindustan Oil Exploration, IPRIS, Annapurna, which are doing really good. Even while in the falling market, Nifty is falling its mark by 1.5% today, but our stocks were very positive today, and they have shown some positivity. As we have already seen, Poonawalla is gaining its momentum. We had our exit at 375. We will be exiting at that point of time. It is very nearby at 375. And RBL Bank is also gaining as of now. And NFL, we had already made 9% profit out of NFL and exited at position today, right? And in Evental, we are seeing a gain of 2.64%. So most of our stocks are performing really well as of now. Even in the falling market, if our stocks is performing, that means we had a very good research out of it, and we are making profit for our clients. And then why you are missing it out? Come join with us and make profit out of it now. That would be much better. You will be able to generate huge amount of returns for with us. As we have seen, we have generated 193% of profitability in last 2 months, closing 31 trades, right? So we recommend to follow our advice. The services which we are providing as of now is will not be free in the coming future. It is only available for 2 to 3 weeks. It is only available for next 2 3 weeks. After that, we will be going for the VIP. We will be going for the VIP subscription model, right? Where the people who are really interested and want to invest their money, they will be investing. We will be guiding them. And apart from equities, we not only deals in equities. Apart from equities, we also deal in forex. We also deal in commodities, right? But once you gain hands-on experience, once you make start profitability, once you be profitable in equities, we will be able to take you to the commodities market, to the currency market, right? So let's gain profit in equity, so you are more comfortable with us in the future journey, and you will be able to make generate more profit out of it. In commodities, be it forex, commodities market are open till midnight. We can trade till midnight and make money till we sleep, and when we wake up, we will be with equity market, so we will be making money from morning till midnight, right? And we will be generating calls throughout the day. Throughout the day, we'll be making you profitable. Whenever you will be getting a free time, you can make profit, you can exit that. Most of you will be a working professional as of now, so we are also looking into that. We are also trading into the forex. It is 24/7 market, right? Once we once we generate profits out of it, equity, we will be also switching to the forex and commodity market and start making money for you in that segment also. But we want to be with you in the equity market now, right? And once we start with the subscription model, we will also go with the forex and commodity market. We have seen we have shown our potential. The dolphin market has shown its potential. It has generated a profitability of 193% in just 2 months. Can you imagine? Are you able to make it by yourself? If you are able to make it by yourself now, just let us know. Type 1 in the comment section. If you are not able to make this profit by yourself, please type 2. We are here to help you. We are here to create wealth for you, right? We will guide you, we will advise you, we will we will tell you which stock to enter, where to enter, and what will be the take profit mark, and where you need to exit, and what is the profitability in that stock. We will guide you through each and everything from top to bottom, and we will also provide the analysis of that particular stock, both technically and fundamentally. We are going deep down fundamentally now for each and every stock. For upcoming stock also, which will provide, we will do the deep down analysis each and every day for our every stock we provide, right? As we have done deep down analysis today for a plywood company, right? Archit Ply. We have shown our profitability as of now, covering the today aspects what we have covered. We will just review that. We have covered that Nifty has closed low due to the expiry season. Expiry day was there today. It is a Thursday of a last month, right? So it has an expiry and it has closed on positive, negative, due to the many profit bookings have came, and Nifty Bank was also negative. The VIX has increased. The overall the global market is positive. Still there is a profit booking in Nifty, right? And we have covered up the Archiply financial fundamental analysis from top to bottom. What we have covered, we will let you know. What we have covered in the Archiply, we have covered the income statement, balance sheet analysis, cash flow analysis, industry dynamics, financial ratios, SWOT analysis, future outlook, and I have shared my recommendation on that. We have gone all through analysis. We have also looked at the future outlook of it. What could be the possible future outlook in Archiply, and also I have shared my recommendation where we need to enter, where we need to exit, and what are the possibilities we can make profit out of it, right? In this coming months. So as we wrap up, I want to emphasize once again how why fundamental analysis, deep down fundamental analysis is very important. It plays a very critical role. Plays a very critical role in our analysis, right? We have analyzed Archiply as of today, and we'll be coming with a more analysis in coming days. Hey, also to all our viewers, thanks for joining today's session. As we always aim to offer not just tip but also the reasoning behind our strategies. We are providing you with the fundamental analysis. The other analysts are also providing you with the deep down technical analysis. We are also sharing you the insights, where to entry and where to exit that stock, right? We are also seeing the we are also giving you the clarity on it, right? And how we can avoid the mistake in the market, how we can minimize the loss. Minimizing loss is very important for us, right? Also, I highly encourage you to keep learning with us. Come join our session. The session is free as of now, right? So make most of it, gain some insights, make profit out of it, right? And we have done with the fundamental analysis. Also remember, trading is not about making quick profits but making consistent return over time. Trading is not only about making quick profit, it also remains that we are making consistent profit, not a loss in it, right? By applying a discipline approach and focusing on these strategies, you will be able to generate a lot of profit. The strategies which we provide, the analysis which we give it to you, you will be able to generate more profit, more and more profit out of it, right? It's now to welcome our next analyst, uh, Hers. He will be guiding you through the technical analysis today, and he will explain the advanced chart patterns. right? So